Why did I give you that pop quiz? Well, because I'm an asshole, for one thing. Well, no, jerk, I should say. I didn't say this last time. If it's going to bother you that I cuss, you should take somebody else's class. I mean, I'll do the best I can not to, but we're adults now. We can talk like grown-ups. As best as possible, we'll try to be responsible and respectful and act like grown-ups. But if I let one slip, I apologize for that. If someone else lets one slip, I'll let that go. But try not to offend anyone. Try to be as decent to each other as possible. On the flip side, try not to take offense at stuff as best you can. Warn somebody if they've said something offensive that it is and that it bothers you so they know, but try to grant them that their vocabulary may be different from yours. Okay, anyway, why did I ask you those questions on the pop quiz? Why do I think it's important that you know my name? Well, I'm the teacher, and that matters, and you should know me, because I'm the most important person here. No, none of that's true. Because you want to be able to talk about which teachers are good and which ones aren't. I've heard students say things like, oh, my math teacher is great, you should take her class. Oh, what's her name? She's this little white lady. Like, that doesn't help. It's not on the thing. So learn your professors' names because it's helpful to know. If you go to the main office and say, my teacher isn't where they're supposed to be. Who's your teacher? Well, they can't help you. So that's why I wanted you to know that. What's the most valuable resource to you here at TCC, in my opinion? Each other. Not the Learning Commons, not the resource that you presented on, but each other, fellow students. That's the most valuable thing to you here at TCC. What else was on that pop quiz? Here we go. Name somebody else in the class. Well, you should be able to do that because you've got this group project that you're working on. You should be able to work on it with them. So I hope you got their names. And what's the definition of success? Any of the things we went over last time is fine. Do what you tried to do, accomplish your goal, finish what you start. What I want from you for the pop quiz is a reminder that yes, last class we did do stuff and it counted and it mattered and it was going to be part of your grade, even though maybe it didn't seem particularly difficult. And also, I give a pop quiz when I give it either at the very beginning or at the very end of class as a sort of reward for people who come on time and basically are paying attention. Pop quizzes are graded a little funny. Pop quizzes are worth 2 points rather than 4, like most assignments. But you could get 4 points if you get everything right. So it's graded out of 2, but you could get up to 4. That means if you miss a pop quiz, you get a 0 out of 2, which doesn't hurt much. And if you get like half of it right on the pop quiz, you got full credit. If you get full credit on the pop quiz, you get everything right, then you get some bonus. So pop quizzes are kind of bonus for people who showed up and kind of punishment for people who didn't, but not much either way. So I'll do pop quizzes periodically through the semester when it feels like the right time to do it. All right, now that we've had our pop quiz, if everybody's here, which I hope they are, we'll do our presentations. And again, what you need to do is, as a group, come up, present your handout so that we can see it, give that to the sub so I can keep it, and then also tell us what we need to know about that resource. And then after you've said what you wanted to say, answer any questions anybody has, and let other people chime in with additional things that need to be said. If the sub wants to add anything, or if I want to add anything, then we'll do that. And we'll just do as many of them as we can. So say your names, do your presentations, and then when you're all done, I'll have another video. Thanks.